Hey everyone, what is going on? Hopefully we'll keep this video nice and short. Basically, this video is just about me finding some random stuff on the internet that didn't even know that I needed or wanted. So, first off, got this gold foil tape off Amazon. It's 2 by 16 foot roll. We'll go over that at the end. Second part of the video. First part is this guy. Now, I know it says Recaro, but it's just from eBay, from Taiwan. Took a little while to get, but I mean it's padded, it's real nice leather. Can you figure out what it is? It's a seat pad. Well, seat protector. Basically, I was scrolling through a couple Instagram pages that sell authentic JDM stuff that they import, and one of the seats had a leather seat belt protector, like up on the top by your shoulder bolster, and it sparked my curiosity. I don't really need it, but I was trying to look it up. While I was looking it up, I found that places make these side ones, and I thought, well, if it works on a Recaro seat, it should work just about on any bucket. So let me show you why you might want one. So this little part right here, when you get in, you might sit on it and rub it. You might wear it out. So obviously that's where the protector goes. My steering wheel's all down low, made it even harder to get in. And my kids are in the car, so the mirrors are all screwed up. Anyway, should be super simple to get on. It is just Velcro. So basically, the idea is that this would wrap over like this to give you a nice padded area. So let's see how we can get this in here. Obviously, we need to open up the straps. That was one noisy car. And get that open. Now, so you also got Velcro here. So ideally, I think you want to pull this up to tuck this up under. So we'll try that real quick. I think I might have to trim that. It's a bit long. It doesn't sit as tight as I thought it would. Hopefully you can see it. Let me get some light on here. Phone doesn't want to work. God damn it. Alright. So, I don't know. Not really fitting the way I was hoping it would. I'm going to try to play around with the fitment a little bit more. I mean, it's on there. It's just, I don't know. To play around with it a little bit. So, quick trip to the local Dollar General dollar store and a razor blade, and I got it to fit just how it looked like in the ad. Basically, I grabbed some of this hook and loop stuff to use the soft side, I guess you'd say the loop side, and I cut off the extra hook side. So basically now, look at that, it fits nice up on there. So all I did was put a little piece of the loop soft side, felt side of the Velcro down here on the fiberglass of the bucket, and then I trimmed this part where it came through the belt hole, and there we go. Now that should protect the seat, and that one there will keep it planted there. I think it came out pretty good. I like it. Protect my seat a little bit. Looks good to me. I think it's worth it. Give it a nice little detail. Let me sit in here and try it out. Look at that. Nice. I think that was worth the 40 bucks. Let's play with the tape. So, got this tape pretty cheap off Amazon, and I thought, since my exhaust has melted my bumper in the past and I had to trim it, you know, saw a couple cars with the gold heat tape around the bumper. I thought it looks cool, so I figured put a little square up around it, trim it, see how it looks. If not, I think it was like 8 bucks off Amazon. Why not try it out? I'll need my razor to trim this. Basically, what I want to do is, I'm laying on my light, but figured I'll just make a little square right up around here, and maybe put this rubber molding back on. I'm not sure. I did that so it would clean up the edge. So let me get a light on here. Maybe you guys can see if I can set this up properly. Hopefully you guys got a good view. And there we have it. We've got the cool little gold heat protection. Look. Think it looks kind of cool. It's always just some tape, so it's always easy to come back off. Just to give it a little something. I think it was worth a few bucks. So there we are. Some quick cheap mods. And I still got a whole roll of this stuff that I can use it on a bunch of other things. Wrap intake, whatever. Give it to a friend, who knows. But basically that was it. Just some quick things I found. Thought they were cool. And wanted to try them out. The seat came out a lot better than I anticipated. Came out really nice, really like it. Even though it says Recaro, I don't have Recaros, but you can barely see it. Gives it a nice leather protection. And we got our nice heat tape exhaust trim. Hopefully you guys like these quick little mods. It was just stuff I found searching. Under 50 bucks, wanted to try them out. I think they're worth it. So, like the video, subscribe. Until next time.